Genesis chapter 9. And God blessed Noah and his sons, said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth. And the fear of you and the dread of you shall be upon every beast of the earth, and upon every fowl of the air, and upon all that moves upon the earth, and upon all the fishes of the sea. Into your hand are they delivered. Every living thing that lives shall be meat for you, even as the green herb have I given you all things." But flesh with the life thereof, which is the blood thereof, shall ye not eat. And surely your blood, your lives will I require. The hand of every beast will I require it, and at the hand of man, at the hand of every man's brother, will I require the life of man. Whoso shed man's blood, by man shall his blood be shed. For in the image of God he made man. And you, be fruitful and multiply. Bring forth abundantly in the earth, and multiply therein. God spoke unto Noah, to his sons with him, saying, "And I, behold, I establish my covenant with you, and with your seed after you, and with every living creature that is with you, of the fowl, of the cattle, every beast of the earth, with you, from all that go out of the ark, to every beast of the earth."